start. In response to a police officer's questions 26/11, Gunman Ajmal Kasab said on national TV as he lay injured in a hospital bed that he didn't know much about jihad but had joined the terrorists only to earn some good money that could help his poor family stove. How often have I heard a similar refrain from captured terrorists during my deployment in the Kupwara sector of Kashmir Valley during the tumultuous years between 1997 and 1999 stop passage. They were usually young men in their late teens or early 20s, mostly unemployed, some with rudimentary education and some literate, but almost always from underprivileged family stove. The typical young terrorists usually belonged to a large family with meager means, one among several siblings with no more than one or at best two bread earners. Stove money was never adequate for basic needs, and then there was always the question of marrying off the girls in the family into good families, fixing the leaking roof before the next monsoon, and so on. Stop passes the episode of 19-year-old Rizwan Brecht name changed Brecht clothes from Pak Patan in West Punjab was typical of a young man attending a public rally organized by the likes of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Brecht let getting carried away by all the fiery rhetoric and signing up to respond to what was perceived as Solomon religious duty. Stove Rizwan infiltrated into Kashmir after some basic training in handling the proverbial AK-47 stove. He moved with his group from hideout to hideout stove. Before long, he was caught by the Indian Army and brought in for interrogation. Stove. He was pleasantly surprised by the human coalition, which represents the future face of America, triumphed Tuesday night. Stop passage. Thanks to an overall openness towards immigration and proactive policies in promoting minority participation in society and politics, the sheer speed of America's transformation in its demographic and cultural profile since the 1960s has been unmatched by any other society. Stop. If you rode a time machine from 1960 into 2012, today's America, starting with its African American president, the wide arrays of hues among its people would appear quite weird. Stop. Inevitably, those who can't deal with that speed of changing and those who are less culturally flexible feel anxious, often fearful of changing society. Stop. Many of them rallied around Romney's campaign, saying they wanted to take America back. Stop. They form the core of today's Republican Party. Stop. Now comes the difficult bit. Stop. A bitter election campaign has left the US sharply polarized. Stop. In his victory speech, President Obama reached out to all those who voted against him and said he would even ask for Governor Romney's cooperation. Stop. Well, Romney will lose his position as the presumed leader of the Republican Party now that he has lost and never really had more than the lukewarm support of his party's base. Stop. The party will have to do serious soul searching. Stop. The radical, exclusionary and fear feigning approach of the Republican base has failed to motivate the voters. Stop. The question is whether the party can or will change with an eye on the future. Stop. It is an important question that will haunt not just the Republicans but will worry everyone in America. Stop.